This tutorial is to show you how you can use the markup tools in CARTOgraph. If you are an administrator or an editor level, you'll be able to use these markup tools. If you're at the viewer level of access, you will only be able to see the markups, but you will not have access to the tools other than the measurement tool. So if we go in here to one of our projects, here's the orthomosaic from a drone. And what we can do is just go through these one at a time. So the first one here is draw marker. So this allows you to put a marker wherever you like. And you can also change the colors of those. So if you want to escape this tool, you just hit cancel. And we can go down here to the color palette and we can change a tool to say red. And then when we click on this again, it will be red. So those are some options there with this marker tool. The next tool is the line tool, or draw a polyline. So I can just do that, and then when I go back here to finish, it creates the line based on the last color I chose. The next tool is the draw rectangle tool. So I click once with my left mouse and then I just drag it and it can make a rectangle of any size you want. Let's change the colors just to add some variety here. The next tool is a polygon tool. So I can click and make polygons of any size and as many vertices as I want, and they do snap together. So that way I could outline sort of organic object. For example, if I wanted to make an outline of this building here, is you just go ahead and click on each of the edges of this and so forth, and I could trace out this entire building footprint as I would like. Now in some cases for logistics that might be useful to be able to say this is an area under construction, or this is an area of where no people need to be moving, or something like this. The next tool is a circle tool. So I can just click once and then expand or contract that circle. And finally the text tool, so this allows you to actually mark it up. And once you have that, when you zoom out, it stays the same size, so you can read it at all zoom levels. The next tool is the edit markup tool. So I can actually grab these markups and move them around. If I grab one of the nodes, I can adjust them as necessary. I can grab these vertices and actually manipulate them. And when I grab a vertex, you can see another vertex appears. So you can get really granular with how these vertices can happen. I can also move the object by going to this move tool, and I can grab it and actually relocate it. That's pretty easy to do. The next tool is I can grab a markup and rotate it. I can go ahead and just grab a vertex and rotate it around in its current form. And finally we can delete these markups by just clicking on each one of them and they'll be deleted. And when you're done with these tools, you can just say finish and that will exit out of the tool. Over here on the right is a layer manager. I can change the background to a satellite image, a terrain image, and also a street map image. So here I want to show you the measurement tool. So I can create a single line measurement by going like this and then just say finish measurement, and that will give you that single line measurement. I could also do an area measurement. So I can create a polygon maybe around the area of this building, and then when I finish that, it's going to give me the area measurement. Now if I want to change my units, you need to retake the measurement, so I can go to metric and the same thing can happen. Where I do a single line measurement, it'll give you that information in meters. Same with the area measurement, it will also do it in meters as well. So that is how you use the tools in CARTOgraph. Note that this is only for administrators and editors to use these tools, but viewers can still see the markups. Thanks for watching.